What if getting dressed, cooking, and moving around your home could feel as easy as it did 20 years back? Because that's our aim here. In this video, we cover essential items every senior should have, from easy-to-use smart home gadgets for arthritis to kitchen tools that improve safety and make daily tasks easier. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30, shower commode chair. As a senior, getting in and out of the shower or using the bathroom can be stressful and even risky. This chair solves both problems at once. It works as both a shower chair and a commode, so you don't have to juggle two different pieces of equipment. Also, it comes with a built-in commode bucket, which makes waste disposal simple and hygienic. This is especially helpful for seniors, people recovering from surgery, or anyone who has difficulty standing for long periods. Number 29, Convyu electric wheelchair. What if moving around felt effortless again? No limits, no worries. With an impressive 30-mile travel range powered by dual 12-amp lithium batteries and 600-watt dual motors, it delivers exceptional performance. Its lightweight and foldable design allows it to collapse in just 3 seconds. The sturdy 340-pound weight capacity ensures stability and comfort for users of different sizes. It has electromagnetic braking, along with puncture-proof tires. Comfort is equally prioritized with memory foam seat and ergonomic arched lumbar support. It comes with 120-watt fast charging that fully powers the wheelchair in just 4 hours and adjustable speed modes that work for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 28, ThinOptics reading glasses. If you're a senior, you know how important glasses are, but sometimes traditional ones can be bulky or easy to forget. These portable reading glasses solve that problem. They're the world's thinnest armless readers, fit comfortably on any nose, and come with a compact keychain case so you can carry them anywhere. Durable and shatterproof, they're available in different magnifications, making it easy to read menus, labels, or books anytime. Number 27, Joerns Hoyer Patient Lift. If you're caring for someone with limited mobility, this electric patient lift can be a lifesaver. Unlike manual lifts that rely on physical strength, the powered system uses a battery-operated lift so you can raise and lower someone with just a remote control. It folds up without needing tools and can be stood up on its own, so you don't need a dedicated storage space. Caregivers often highlight that the smooth electric lifting makes daily transfers feel more comfortable for the person being moved. Number 26, digital pill box. This pill box makes keeping track of your medication so much easier. You can fill the compartments quickly and the tabs open smoothly. No struggling with tiny lids. When it's time to take a dose, it beeps and flashes so you don't have to worry about forgetting. Just press the button for the right time slot and that compartment pops open. Super simple and stress-free. It's a small thing, but it really helps you stay on top of your routine. Number 25, Reacher Stick. This Reacher Stick makes grabbing stuff in tight spots super easy. The telescoping magnet can lift objects up to 5 pounds, making it easy to pick up metal tools, screws, or other small items. The built-in flashlight helps you see into dark corners, and the 360-degree rotating inspection mirror lets you check underneath furniture or behind appliances. Everything comes in a durable tool bag, so all the pieces stay organized and ready to use. Number 24, chair alarm system. This wireless alarm system is changing how families caring for elderly loved ones. The moment someone stands up, it instantly alerts you up to 300 feet away, so you never have to worry about whether they're safe in the next room. It works around the clock, has no monthly fees, and is super easy to set up. Plus, it's weather resistant, works through walls, and the battery lasts for months. Families are calling it a peace of mind in a box, and with its ability to prevent most fall-related injuries, it's easy to see why. This little device could make a huge difference in keeping seniors safe and independent. Number 23, EMS Foot Massager. This electric foot massager is perfect if your feet feel tired or achy after a long day. It uses gentle electrical pulses to stimulate muscles, improve circulation, and help reduce soreness, making your feet feel refreshed and relaxed. With multiple intensity levels and massage modes, you can adjust it to exactly what you need, whether it's a quick stress relief session or a deeper massage to help with muscle recovery. Number 22. Portable Wheelchair Ramp. This portable wheelchair ramp makes getting over doorways, steps, or curbs simple and safe. Its non-slip aluminum surface keeps wheels from sliding, while the lightweight but sturdy frame can hold scooters, wheelchairs, or other mobility aids. It folds up easily for storage and comes in adjustable lengths, making it practical for home entryways or vehicles. Reflective strips add extra visibility at night, and since it doesn't require permanent installation, you can set it up quickly wherever it's needed. Number 21. TAILI Grab Bars. These grab bars make bathtubs and showers safer for seniors because bathrooms are one of the riskiest places for slips and falls. The strong suction cups stick securely without drilling, which means you can install them without damaging walls or tiles. Each bar supports up to 240 pounds, so it can hold the weight of most users safely. The curved anti-slip grip gives your hands extra traction, even on wet surfaces, which helps prevent slipping and reduces the chance of injuries. Number 20. Stander Wonder Tray. So if you're helping someone who spends a lot of time seated, this tray makes life easier. Meals, work, or hobbies stay within reach. The height and swivel adjust to each person, and the non-slip pads protect floors. The tray arm pivots and swivels 360 degrees, letting you position it exactly where you need it, and the height and base width adjust to fit most furniture. Non-slip rubber pads keep it steady and protect floors. It's simple, practical, and helps you stay independent while doing everyday activities. Number 19. Xentrawave Dual Bar Bed Rail. For many elderly individuals, even a simple movement like getting out of bed can become difficult without proper support. This dual bar bed rail can make that process smoother and more secure by offering a steady grip that helps reduce the chances of slips or imbalance. The solid steel construction, along with reinforced internal support, keeps it stable and can easily support up to 300 pounds of load. It also comes with a handy storage pocket, so essentials like glasses, medications, or a phone are always within reach, especially useful during the night. Number 18. Standard CarCaddie. It gives you a steady handle to grab onto when you're getting in or out of a car, truck, or van, which can make vehicle transfers a lot easier and safer. You just loop the adjustable strap around the top of the window frame. It fits most vehicles with framed windows and supports up to about 250 pounds and gives you reliable support wherever you go. Number 17. Wireless Caregiver Call Button. Now, help is just a button away. This Caregiver alert system keeps your loved ones safe without any monthly fees or complicated contracts. The wireless emergency button works instantly over Wi-Fi, sending alerts to family. It works at home or anywhere with Wi-Fi, and the waterproof button can be worn as a pendant, bracelet, or kept nearby. Families are saving a lot compared to traditional monitoring services while still getting fast, reliable protection for their loved ones. Number 16. Widppsopt Recliner Electric Wheelchair. This recliner electric wheelchair is a mobility chair that combines powered movement with extra comfort features. Unlike a basic electric wheelchair, it lets you adjust the backrest and sometimes the leg rest so you don't have to stay in the same upright position all the time. On top of that, it's powered by a high-performance 500-watt motor, so you can handle daily travel with ease. The battery is designed for long-distance use, taking just 6 to 8 hours to charge and giving you a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge. Number 15. One-handed Gadget. This product is a simple adaptive kitchen tool that helps you grip and open items with just one hand, which is especially useful if you have limited hand strength or can't use both hands easily. It's basically a rubber grip pad that keeps jars, bottles, and other containers from slipping around while you twist the lid, so you can open them without struggling or needing extra help. Number 14. Drive Medical Power Scooter. This mobility scooter makes getting around indoors and outdoors easy and comfortable. It has a height adjustable swivel seat, fold down backrest, and padded armrests, with armrests and tiller angle that can be adjusted to fit your needs. The scooter runs on a quick connect 12 ampere hour rechargeable battery, giving up to 9 miles per charge, with an easy to read LED battery indicator. It breaks down quickly for transport in just 1 to 2 minutes, and is lightweight enough to load with the battery and seat removed. The cruising range is solid for a day's use on paved surfaces, and the instruction manual is clear and helpful. On the downside, the solid rubber tires are a bit small, so the ride can feel rough sometimes. The horn isn't very loud, and it could use a built-in headlight and larger rear reflectors. Number 13. Key Finder. Forgetfulness can be frustrating, but this key finder makes it easy to track your items. Simply press the corresponding color-coded button and the receiver will beep to help you find lost keys or valuables. It also has a built-in LED flashlight, perfect for locating things in the dark. The set comes with 4 receivers, keychain rings, and double-sided adhesive so you can attach it to whatever you need. Number 12. Step2Bed Bed Rails. These bed rails give sturdy support when getting in and out of bed, which can reduce the risk of falls, a common concern for seniors and those with limited mobility. They come with padded grab bars you can hold on to, and a built-in step stool with a non-slip surface so your feet don't slide when stepping up or down. A motion-activated LED light helps you see the area at night, so you're less likely to trip in the dark. Number 11. Maxwalk Walkers. There's so much to love about this walker. It has large 8-inch rubber wheels that swivel 360 degrees. The backrest is the most comfortable out of all the walkers. The built-in brake cable and dual braking system let you control your speed and lock the brakes when sitting. Its sturdy triangular aluminum frame is lightweight at just 19.5 pounds, but supports up to 300 pounds. For added comfort, it includes a wider seat and backrest, along with a removable cup holder and storage pouch. Number 10. Fidget board for dementia patients. Living with dementia can be challenging, especially when it comes to staying calm and mentally engaged, but something as simple as a fidget board can make a meaningful difference. It helps ease anxiety and reduce boredom by keeping both the hands and mind active. With familiar elements like locks, latches, and switches, users can interact in a natural way that feels both comforting and engaging. These small activities also support fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Beyond that, it gives a sense of control and purpose, something that's incredibly valuable for individuals who often feel limited by their condition. Number 9. Juvo Toilet Aid. This device can be a real lifesaver, especially around surgery recovery. It's best to practice using it for a few weeks beforehand. Squeeze the lever under the handle to trap the paper, then wipe. The tip is smooth and slightly contoured. It won't scratch, but it gets the job done. The 18-inch wand lets you reach from the front or back. It's great for seniors or for you if you are recovering from surgery. Number 8. Book Reading Light. This book reading light is super handy for anyone who likes to read in bed. You get 2 brightness levels, so the light is soft enough not to disturb anyone else, and the flexible gooseneck lets you point it exactly where you need it. The clip is strong, so you can attach it to books, e-readers, or other surfaces without it slipping. Also, it's USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. Number 7. Folding Walking Cane. This folding cane is perfect if you want support you can actually rely on without sacrificing portability. It provides solid stability while folding down small enough to slip into a purse or bag. The pivot tip design grips all kinds of surfaces, wet floors, gravel, or uneven terrain, so you feel secure wherever you go. You can adjust it to the right height, and the freestanding base means it can stand upright on its own. Number 6. Heated Knee Massager. If knee pain is slowing you down, this heating pad can make a real difference in your daily comfort. It uses advanced graphene heating to deliver deep, soothing warmth with 4 adjustable heat levels, reaching up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit to help relax sore muscles and improve blood circulation. On top of that, it comes with dual vibration motors and multiple intensity modes, so you can personalize your massage and target stiffness or fatigue exactly the way you need. The cordless design makes it super convenient to use anywhere. Number 5. Bed Ladder Assist. This simple yet effective bed ladder assist is designed to give that extra support when it's needed most. With its adjustable strap and sturdy build, it easily attaches to almost any bed, helping users pull themselves up step by step using the soft, non-slip handles. It's especially helpful for seniors, injured individuals, or anyone with limited mobility who wants a bit more independence in their daily routine. Number 4. Kolbs Bed Wedge Pillow. This bed wedge pillow helps people with sleep apnea breathe easier and sleep more comfortably. By elevating the upper body at a 20 to 40 degree angle, it uses gravity to keep the airways open, reducing the chance of tongue or throat blockages that can cause apnea or snoring. The adjustable design comes in 9-inch or 12-inch heights, so you can find the right angle to support your head, neck, and shoulders without strain. For back sleepers, it's a simple way to minimize apnea episodes and get a more restful night's sleep. Its plush memory foam top combined with a high-density core gives the perfect balance of comfort and support. Number 3. Portable lumbar support. This portable back support turns any chair into a comfortable ergonomic seat. It fits office chairs, car seats, and dining chairs, helping keep your spine aligned and easing back pain. The breathable mesh stops heat from building up, and the lightweight design makes it easy to move from one seat to another. Seniors and anyone with back discomfort can sit longer without pain. With breathable mesh, it keeps air flowing to prevent heat buildup during long sitting periods. Number 2. QuickTub. This accessibility kit turns any standard bathtub into a safe walk-in shower, so you don't have to step over high tub walls anymore. It creates a low threshold entry that works with wheelchairs, walkers, and other mobility aids. Installation is simple and doesn't require major renovations or long construction projects. The watertight seal keeps water from leaking while letting your shower run normally, so you get safety and full functionality. Number 1. Inflatable turning device. Caring for someone who's bedridden can be physically and emotionally exhausting, but having the right support makes a real difference. This inflatable turning device is designed to make repositioning easier and more comfortable for both the caregiver and the patient. Its U-shaped inflatable pillow gently supports the body during movement, helping reduce strain on caregivers while also lowering the risk of muscle stiffness and pressure sores. It's simple to use for everyday tasks like turning or shifting, helping patients feel a bit more independent while reducing the need for heavy manual effort. So that's all for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. And drop a comment below telling me which product from today caught your eye the most. Thank you for watching.